Hello YouTube. It is Burbazooka. How to grow mandarins. According to the U.S. Department of Agriculture, all adults should eat about 0.5 to 1.5 kilograms of fruit a day. Although it is now easy to buy all the products that you need in the nearest supermarket, it is still much healthier to grow the plants yourself. Tangerines can be easily grown from the seeds of your own fruits, right on your balcony or in your garden. Mandarins are evergreens that grow by about 10-15 feet in height. If you want to grow a mandarin tree yourself, you should consider the following tips. Place the trees in a well-lit place, but not under direct sunlight. Use well-drained soil and water, but do not make it too raw. It is better to use seeds from fresh fruits, as they are more viable, and they should be planted in the spring or early summer. When the seedling is large enough, reinstall it in a larger container using a fresh mix. Grown seeds of mandarins can take 4 to 7 years from flower to fruit. Flowering usually occurs in the spring with the formation of fruits in summer and maturation by the beginning of autumn. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.